Hi, welcome to another instructional video. Today we're going to show you how to set up your 56-inch CounterPop display. Now this product comes in a variety of sizes. There already is a 42-inch CounterPop display, but now there's an additional 56-inch seen here and a 26-inch CounterPop display. This display is two 26-inch CounterPops linked together via the shelves in the back and the graphic, and we'll show you how to set that up in a minute. But the assembly process for the 26-inch display you will see as I set these two of them up to then be linked together to create the 56-inch. So you will see the setup process for both the 26 and this 56-inch here in this video. So first, we're going to expand the pop-up frame and push together the 4 snapping clips. And then lock together all the spinning support bars. And now repeat this process for the second pop-up frame. With the 2 pop-up frames set up, you can now attach the shelves. Set the frames equidistant apart so the shelves in the middle will link the 2 pop-up frames together. Line up the brackets on the side of the shelves with the brackets on the side of the frames, and let them rest on the brackets like so, and fill that out with the rest of the shelves. And now you can put the countertop on. Fold open the countertop and line up the hook and loop strips on the bottom of the countertop with the hook and loop strips on top of the pop-up frames. With the frame of the counter now set up, at this point you can now attach the graphic. So take the hook and loop strips on the graphic and line it up with the hook and loop on the display itself and start putting it on like so. Now wrap the graphic around the front of the display. And in tandem, make the connections of the top and bottom. And just like that, your CounterPop display is now ready for use.